If a speaker is using an ad hominem attack, they are attacking the other person rather than attacking the argument that the person is making. So let's say that two people are having a discussion about some policy that they want to enact. Person A is making arguments that the policy is going to work in this way or that way, and person B, rather than saying that the policy isn't going to work in the ways described, or that the policy isn't actually going to solve the problem, they will instead attack the other person and say that they are stupid or a liar, or make some other attack on the other person's credibility. That's what someone using an ad hominem attack is trying to do. They are trying to lower the credibility of the person making the argument rather than trying to dismantle the argument itself. Ad hominem translates to the person and is the type of argument that I envision happening on elementary school playgrounds. If two children are playing and they both want to go on the monkey bars, and one child is in front of the other child might cut in front and go on the monkey bars instead. The first child might argue, "Hey, it was my turn to go on the monkey bars next." And the second child, who cut in front, might say, "Well, you're stupid," or "You're ugly," or something along those lines, rather than saying, "Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you there," or something like that. And politicians frequently rely on these such personal attacks in order to make things easier for them. It's often easier to dismantle the credibility of an individual rather than dismantle the argument that they are attempting to make. And ultimately, these ad hominem attacks can be really persuasive, and they've really diminished the civility of our society in a lot of ways. So if you are talking with another person and they go for an ad hominem attack, try bolstering your argument a little bit more and say, "Okay, well, you haven't talked about this, that, or the other piece of the argument that I made." And if they can't attack your argument, then they aren't doing their job as a persuader.